Hi parents, welcome to the Parent Corner with Miss Bria. Today I'm going to continue on with my series about functional language in everyday routines. Our next routine is our bath time, our bathroom time. This is a great time to teach children. So let's start out with how we can identify some of the objects. Sink, bathtub, water, toilet paper, potty, toilet. Those are all very important things that they use in the bathroom. And now you can expand it. We can say white bathtub, hot water. We can say flushing toilet. These are things that you want to teach them and tell them as you're using the toilet, as you're using the bathroom. Another important thing for the bathroom is the object functioning, so they can identify the object. Let's talk about the functioning of it. We wash in the tub. We use the restroom. We go number 1 and number 2 in the potty. These are all very important things for children to learn, because not only will they do it in your home environment, but you may go to a restaurant and they use the bathroom. They may go to school and use the bathroom. So object functioning is very, very important. How to use the towel. We wash with our towel. We scrub our soap. These help us get clean. These are things that you want to teach your child. Another thing you can do is show them how one item in the bathroom can be used in many ways. So for example, water. You can clean with water. You can splash water. You can run the water, turn the water on. And so same thing with the toilet. You can flush the toilet. You can use the toilet. You can sit on the toilet. You can open the toilet top and close the toilet top. And so you want to teach them how there can be one item, but it can be used in many different ways. I hope that this helps you continue to enrich your child with that rich language and vocabulary during their bathroom time and their bath time routine. I hope this helps you. See you in the next video. Bye.